Every day I'm hustling, hustling, hustling.
So here we are, a quick little recap. When a stock is in pre-market falling this hard, usually in that following morning, it's going to spike up quite a bit. You can see that this stock here is following this trend line. Here's our buy price right here, the green line. So as it comes up, it touches that high, which will create resistance. Not all the other ones. We want the last high it touched. So that's going to be our buy line. So now as it starts climbing up, we create these resistance and these trend lines. Then you see the candlestick here. This is where we want to buy in. So we get in at 120, 121, 122. And then as we create another little trend line, we eventually extend that trend line further as the stock goes up. But you can see it creates a little flag pattern here. So as it pops through that and it stays along our trend line, it keeps climbing on up. And now let's see it makes a high with this high candlestick here. So we just follow it, create another line, and as you see, the next candlestick right here that actually pops up is a red candlestick right here. So as it makes that little dip, hits your resistance, it hits right there, and we sell. The only reason we sell on the red is because it's red. We don't want to sell on the green because that's a sign that it could possibly go back up even on a small little bounce. So as long as it stays above our trend line and it hits that little green spot right there, we want to get out. It's a quick 50-cent little jump. It's perfect for us. You get in 1,000 shares, cost you $1,200, and you make 50 cents on it on 1,000. It's really not bad. It's a good little day. I mean, it's $500 profit. It's almost 50%, 40% or so. You have an opportunity to take another dip buy right there. You can ride this out. You see, you just create your lines, follow the trend, follow the bounce. There's your support. Another trend line. This thing's following up. If you were really on this play, you could have played twice if you wanted to wait. You could have gone from the $1.50 up to $2 range. Right there's definitely your fall down. You can see it kind of goes. So don't be bag holding too long. Create your trend lines, and when it drops below your trend line, stay out. You can see on the last level 2s here, you want to make sure that you pay attention to those. Check your 1 days. You can see on the 1 days, it dropped the last 4 days, and then you had a green day. So you want to make sure that you look at your 1-day charts, look at last patterns, and see what kind of consistency this stock has done in the past. You can see back here, there's other days that it went red for 4 days and then a green day. And again, if you go further back, 4 red days and a green day. You want to kind of look at these. It has the consistency of having 4 red days and then 1 green day. You got 4 red days. Today's obviously got to be a green day, and it's Friday. Friday is usually a slower day, but when something falls this much in pre-market, you got a lot of falls on your previous days, there's a good opportunity that this thing is going to pop, especially a little bit of news, low float, high volume. This is a great stock. We made some good money on this one, and this was a great opportunity for people to see. Just make sure you follow those lines. Create a lot of lines. I hope this video helped. Thank you.